with the Ministry of Water.
Munini wa president augite mbeca icio ni ciguteithiriria kaunti icio iria cikoretwo na wagi wa ugitiri hamwe na wagi wa maai kahinda kanene.
It will cover areas across from water to healthcare to energy to agriculture to education and also building resilience amongst the communities and reducing the impact caused by long presence of refugees.
Oho neugite mibango iyo ni agiriirwo guteithia mu Kenya uria wi matura-ini na kuongerera ati no muhaka mbeca icio citumirwo na njira ya utheri.
It is the decision of the government of Kenya that all agreements to provision of service will be made public so that accountability becomes a center principle.
We would like to assure the donors and the Kenya government that the money provided will be used for the purpose for which it was intended.
Minister wa maai Simon Chelugui mwena wake ugite mirimo ta kuharwo gatema ni kuninwo agikorwo mbeca icio ni cigutumirwo na njira njega.
With this intervention, Your Excellency, the common diseases of cholera which have been prevalent in that town will now be a thing of the past.
As we know, water and sanitation is a big issue in the north. So the bank is very much committed to see that this situation has changed.
Atongoria a kaunti icio ithatu nao ni maugite wiguaniro ucio ni uguteithiriria kaunti ciao muno ni undu wa gukorwo nio magumirwo ni wingi wa hoi toro.
Indeed, what county governments were yearning for is this collaboration where resources flows to the county governments.
I think after security, which has now been overcome, water is the next biggest problem. And I want to assure you that we are going to use this money in the best interest of the people.
Mbeca ici ciukite oriri kaunti ya Turkana iraheirwo bilioni 3 wiki ino kumateithiriria kuhurana na thina wa hoi toro. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo muitiriri wa Wajir.